In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a rental website on Wix. To get started, you will open Wix and begin building a new project. When you are on the Wix homepage or your Wix dashboard, click Create New Site. This is the step that tells Wix you want to start fresh, rather than editing an existing site. Take a moment to notice that Wix will then move you into a website creation flow, where you can choose the best editor for your needs. Next, you will choose the Wix Harmony editor. Click Wix Harmony Editor and wait for it to load. The Harmony experience is designed to help you build a polished site without having to manage every detail manually at the beginning. If you are given options during this part, make sure you are selecting the Harmony Editor, since that is what the rest of this process is based on. After that, Wix may prompt you with a choice that includes Let's Go or Skip Chat. Pick Let's Go if you want the guided experience, or choose Skip Chat if you prefer to move straight ahead without the chat portion. Either option is fine as long as you proceed to the website setup after you make your selection. This choice mainly affects how Wix asks questions at the start, not the final ability to create your rental website. Now you will enter what you want your site to do. You will type your site description into the provided field, and you should enter Create a Rental Website where customers can view and book rental properties. This message is important because it guides Wix on what kind of pages and features to generate for you. Use the exact idea here, because Wix needs clear instructions about the purpose of your website, especially the booking and property browsing part. Once you have entered that description, you will click Generate or go to Dashboard. If you choose Generate, Wix will create an initial version of your rental website based on your input. If you choose Go to Dashboard, you may be taken directly into your site builder, where you can then continue configuring your rental pages and design. Either way, you are moving from setup into the actual building environment. At this stage, it is a good idea to wait for Wix to prepare your site. During loading, pay attention to what Wix generates or which editor screen you see next. You will typically be guided into a workspace where you can review the layout, check the sections that were created, and adjust the content to match your rental business. If Wix generated a first draft, take a moment to scan through it. You are looking for areas related to customer browsing and booking. Make sure the site content clearly supports the goal you entered, since that goal should drive the structure of the site. If you see placeholder sections, that is normal at this point, and you will be able to edit them later once the foundation is in place. If you were taken to the dashboard instead, you still want to confirm that you are inside your site for this new rental project. Look for the editor or the main builder area where you can start customizing. The important thing is that you have successfully moved past the initial setup and into the tool that lets you control your website's design and pages. From here, you can continue refining your rental website by editing the pages, adjusting the look and feel, and making sure customers can easily view and book rental properties. You can also add or adjust details so the website fully matches what you offer. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.